everybody. This is Jonathan with Nomadic Cooling over here at HQ3 in Glendale, Arizona. Today we're in the back of the shop. This is a typical shipping day where Nomadic Cooling air conditioners and Dometic air conditioners are going from us out in the world to you. We've got the big tractor here, the big trailer. We basically try to fill it up every day with these goodies. I just want to take a couple minutes to show you these new stickers that Isaiah had us pick up. We put them on all the box right now. These are Shock Watch stickers. Kenny, Shock Watch stickers? Isaiah? Shockwave stickers. You can't say that 10 times fast. These are designed to be put on to make sure that when it gets to you that nothing damaging has happened inside the box. When you receive your Nomadic Cooling air conditioner, the first thing I'd like you to do is check the outside of the box. The other thing I'd like you to do once you've done that, look inside the box, make sure nothing inside looks damaged. It would be pretty evident if something was damaged from the outside. So if you could just take a couple minutes, do that before you sign that you've received the package. If you sign that you've received the package, there is no way to claim it under insurance at all. And even if you don't and they damage it, it's still very difficult to claim anything under insurance. If it gets damaged out there in the world, in shipping, it's basically just a loss to us, which really sucks for us. So we do everything we can here. We actually pack these with love. The stickers on top, Isaiah puts the stickers on there. He makes sure he loves. I think when we're not looking, he actually kisses the boxes on the side. Once you get it out of the box, we'd like you to hook it up to your batteries. We'd like you to run the air conditioner before you mount it to your vehicle. We test every single air conditioner here at Nomadic Cooling. We make a video of it and we send that to you. If something happened in shipping, we need to know that before it's mounted to the roof of the vehicle and the day that your customer is going to be picking up the vehicle. The sooner that we learn that there was a problem or something that could or could not have been damaged in shipping, I have to be quite honest with you, our shipping problems have decreased significantly over the course of this pandemic. But we still want to do everything on our side to bring it up to you so that you have a chance to take a good look at the unit when it gets there, take it out, test it, and then mount it. Kenny, let's go through the steps one more time. Purchase, ship, check, check again, check a third time, test, and then mount. Go further in comfort with Nomadic Cooling with a beautiful DC air conditioner that has been packed with love by Isaiah, and the box may have been kissed and tapped. Give Nomadic Cooling a call today.